Welcome back! This is Lovelyn and Lovelyn Orchids. Well, today we have another box to open. This is from a different nursery in Hawaii. The name is Kalapana Tropicals and they are in Town, Hawaii. So somebody suggested it in a group where I belong. So I thinking to try it. And especially the price is really good and they have 50% sale every Thursday, so it's like, hey, why not? So we will open and check it out, how they ship their orchids and the quality of their orchids. And this is from Kalapana Tropicals. Alright guys, so this box, when I got the first box from Kawamoto, I thought this is Kawamoto. But I was wrong because they use the same box, I guess, but they are different company. So this is from Kalapana Tropicals in Hawaii. So the same way I bought this, I bought it Monday, and then they ship it FedEx priority overnight. So I got it today. So I received 2 boxes today from Hawaii, but they are from different company. So this is the box I got from this company, and we will open it together and see what we got. Alright guys, so we're gonna open this box from the other nursery in Hawaii. So I'm gonna share it to you guys, so we will see here. I cut already the tape, so it'll be easy to open. And then, oh, something is stuck. They still have one tape here. That one there. Oh, wow. They got this nice packaging. Look at the way they do it, guys. That's the place I got these orchids. So, Kalapana Tropicals. And it says Hawaiian Orchid. Premier quality from the big island of Hawaii. That's very nice. Look at that, the receipt. And then they have, oh, I like them already because they have these, how, you know, like the flowers, how to take care of them and everything. This is really nice. So we got that out there and we will open it together. So let me adjust my camera so you guys can see it. What I got, I think I ordered 3 orchids from them. So we'll see if we can find my 3 orchids. Oh wow, it's very nice. I like the way they do it. It's awesome. And then here's my plant. Oh wow. Let me see here. Where's my scissors? They tape it good, which is nice too. And then, oh wow. Very, wow, big plants. That's a big one. What's the name of these? This is the Cheyenne Marie Green Gecko. So that's the name, guys. So I think this is the one with the green flowers. So look at the leaves. Very healthy. And bulbs are plump, very healthy. And a 4-inch pot. So that's the first one. And then we'll do the second one. Oh, it's stuck together. Hold on. And so this is the second one. Oh wow, got a spike, guys. Look at that. There's a spike. Wow, that's awesome. Love it. What's the name of these? The name of these is Isabella Lunar Eclipse. So the name is like that, guys. See? Look at the bulbs. Very healthy. The plant is intact. And the spike is intact. Very good. Very happy. She got me a spike. And the third one, oh, there's a base. I didn't know that it goes with a base. Hold on, guys. We're gonna get this in here. The third one, let me see. It goes with a pot. I didn't order the pot. Or maybe. Not too sure. Let me take out all this. Alright, guys. So this one got the pot. So the one I get the first is the bottom of the pot. Oh, sometimes, you know, I hate this tape. But, you know, it's a good thing. They tape it really good. So, the plants is intact when it arrives to the destination. But, oh man. Look at the pot, guys. I got the pot. And look at the holes. The holes is nice. And it clip like that. There, I guess it, wow, it snap. So that one, it snap with the bottom. You just snap it. There. And you can plant your orchids in there. Wow, I didn't know that they're gonna send me a pot. It's my first time ordering this company. And I already like them. Oh, we need to open this one, guys, so we can see what is the third plant look like. Well, I was wrong because these guys don't really... Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh my goodness, that's so awesome! I got a spike. The bud. I got a bud, guys. I got a bud on this plants. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at that. Look at the bud. The bud gonna open very soon. And I got this spike too. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's so pretty. And the blooms is coming out soon. I'm so excited. Let me see what's the name of this one. This one is Poi Ideal. Can't remember the color on this. This is the name of these orchids. I'm gonna try to get the flowers when I ordered it, so I can put it in this video so you can look at, guys, the different names, the different orchids and their blooms. But with 3 orchids that I got from Kalapana Tropicals, 2 got spike, and this one is already blooming, like the bud gonna open soon, and this one is gonna open anytime. My goodness, I'm so excited, very, very happy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this out here and show you the 3 plants I get. Alright guys, so I got my 3 orchids that I bought, Kalapana Tropicals, and I was wrong, guys. So because the 3 plants have spike and buds. So if we can see this one, look at that, got a spike. How pretty is that one? The leaves is perfect. The bulb is very healthy and plump, and it goes with the pot. It's beautiful. So I think I'm gonna wait to transfer her until she's done blooming, because I don't really want to disturb her, because I want her to bloom. I'm so excited about that. So this one, I thought there's nothing in this orchid, But you know what? I messed it. Look at this. This one got a bloom. Well, a bud. It's not open yet, guys, so I'm sorry. So that's a bud there. Gonna open anytime, maybe in a few days. So I'm so excited. And this is the one, the Cheyenne Marie Green Gecko. So this is the green bloom of these orchids. So it's very pretty. So I'm so excited. I guess there's a bud that's gonna open soon. The leaves, very healthy, very nice. So I'm thinking I will not transfer this orchids until she's done blooming. I don't want to disturb the growth and the flowers. And this one is the one, the Poi Ideal. She got the buds open and the bud is gonna bloom very soon. Look at that. And a spike. Here, there's a spike, guys. Spike, bud, and bloom. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it goes with the pot. And the pot is really cold because you can just, you know, it's detachable. The bottom one, you can drain it. And then it just pop. Very nice. It's a plastic, but hey, it's beautiful. So that's the two orchids I got from Kalapana. And the third one, which I show you already, but I didn't tell you the name again, the Isabella Lunar Eclipse. So look at the bulb, very pretty, healthy, plump, leaves healthy, no problem at all, and the spike. So that's so beautiful. Alright guys, so that's my first order from Kalapana Tropicals, and the price is awesome because these three orchids I bought, they are from 50% special or sale. I think they have a sale every Thursday, and I went there and thinking about it, and finally get it. The price is really good. So 20 bucks, 28, it depends, $12, it depends what kind you want. But oh my goodness, this sent me with 3 orchids with spike, buds, another one with a bloom. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Very nice. I love my orchids. See, very pretty and very healthy. So I'm so excited. So with this shipment is great, very good packaging, receipt, and they give you this card of their business and how to take care in the back and everything. And you have the phone number if you have problem with your orchids or if you have questions, which is so wonderful. And the receipt is very nice. I love it. And I did not know that they're gonna send me a pot, but maybe I click with a pot, but I'm not sure. But they sent me a nice pot. It's nice, it's plastic, it's wonderful. I love it. So I'm just so excited, guys. So happy with this company. And the price is worth it. It's not that bad, you know, 50%. It's not that bad at all. And the shipping, they combine the shipping, FedEx. I think the FedEx, Federal Express Priority Overnight is $28 in my location. So that's kind of spendy just for shipping. You know, I mean, my location is in the boonies. So anyway, I love it. I really highly recommend this company. Kalapana Tropicals in Hawaii. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the wonderful orchids that I received, and the spike and the bloom. I did not expect that. I'm very happy with my purchase and highly recommend it. Guys, check it out. They have a website, www.kalapanatropicals.com. Just like that, guys. See? That's their website. Check it out. I bought in website directly. And they have lots of options. They even have a hobbyist club, which I don't think I will join because I got too much orchids already. With the shipment today, my orchids will be close to 100 because I bought 4 plus 3, so that's 7. So that make it 97 orchids. And I think husband is thinking to get me more minis because look at my minis in the back. I got a mini Paul's Garden. So anyway, but you know, I just kind of like, if I feel like having a new orchids, then you just go to their website. I love them. I love the way they ship it, the packaging, the pots. It's not fancy pots, but they are beautiful. The spike, the blooms. I didn't expect that they're gonna send me an orchids with spike and blooms. And the leaves are healthy, roots are intact. I don't have any complaint, guys. They are so awesome. And the price is not that bad at all. Check it out, their website. And check it out, their specials. I always go to special to check it out, the 50% off of different orchids. You know, the one that I've been wishing in my wish list, you know, like orchids that you can get only in the nursery instead of grocery store, because most of my orchids are from grocery store. But this year, I'm changing my ideas because I got more, almost 100 now. So from now on, I buy my orchids from a nursery. Well, we don't have nursery here in town for orchids, so I need to get it online. And the best place for me is from Hawaii. And love their orchids. Love the way they ship it to me. It's a surprise. It's like, oh my goodness. Like my heart's so big seeing all these blooms. Look at it again, guys. A bud and a spike. So happy. And more spike. So anyway, this is my purchase from Kalapana Tropicals in Hawaii, and I highly recommend them. They are wonderful. My plants is wonderful. I'm gonna go back and buy more in the future, or maybe next week. We will see. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up. And if you don't like, it's okay too. It's just an idea where I get my orchids. And please click this button below that says subscribe. Click that, please, so you don't miss any of my video. Click all, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. God bless, and see you again in our next video. Bye!